super Nepian grass again here in this section here. You can see how it is coming up, and it is also mixed with these are, and I can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, about 8 animals. Okay. Kogo. Where are we at? What are you?
Fix.
Fix. Na wewe barambere? No. Lakini the tumathangu turoneka.
Mathangu ni ngurani.
Mathangu aba maroneka me marie.
Mari
na maseke.
Kwina maseke. Kuna taibita igiri ugu.
Okay. So these are oranges here. And they look very, very nice. Fertilizer? Ni wekagira? Ka ni thumu?
Iyo ni thumu wa
ng'ombe. So manure. Haya, hapa na giki nakio ni gikwa. Kana ni ndu?
Gikwa ni itunda.
Itunda riri passion. Passion iria nene.
Onere ndugu.
All right. Mbembe gukona na wa. Hey. The maize here. Hey. Ndirakwira ici riu na itiraigua riri itiraigua riua ria gukuma. So here we have maize. Maize, and it is very hot here, but you can see a lot of maize. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today I visited a farm around my neighborhood, and now in fact it's like I'm under maize, where they do drip irrigation. So you can see here you have Nepian grass, a lot of Nepian grass here. Then you can see that maize, the maize. All right, the maize is doing so well, and there is no rain. Plus now you see there is Nepian grass at the sides. All right, look at the Nepian grass. All right, the maize is in lines, but you see, the maize is taller than me. The maize is taller than me. You guys see the maize? Look at me and the maize. Right. And they use water, that water there, where they use solar and electricity. So guys, this is a portion of maize, and the maize has done very well, to be sure. The sun is so hot, but the maize looks very, very green. Okay. All right. So, okay. So here, I think I'll wait for him to come and tell me about this place, because I can see the setup here, unless I'm directed on what to do. Aba ni ng'ombe orenda gukaiga ona niguega ni tuthina ni iria muno gukuma. Yeah, tuthikithinaga ni iria muno ati tuthiaga na iria ria guku rimwe ndiwini karikoragwo ribana atia. Waruga cai ritiroka wega. Ona ria ng'ombe rimwe ndiwika rikoragwo rigicama ugu niki. So these are sweet potatoes. here. And he is trying to set water there. The owner here. Ria mburi rikoragwo ri umubiu mburi no aremire ni kuiga ino nayo ni dragon fruit urageria aba ino ebandagwo andu kanyamu gaka angageria gwakwa rimwe ngageria gwakwa. So this is dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. And so you can also see bananas here. And the sugar canes. There are a lot of sugar canes here. Okay. Sugar canes. And bananas. This area is for bananas. Guys, you can see them. And here where I'm standing is a place of sweet potatoes. So from here you can see the maize. The field there is filled with maize. Okay. So when you go inside there, it's very, 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 the maize is too much. Hey, kai isu mbembe ona itengirwa kai goko isu yeah. No abako nungianjerera kinyamu giki gyaku kiugo kana giki kiugo giki gyaku nungianjerera uria kiukoragwo kio kana
ng'ombe kana
set up ino ya kiugo riu ataba ni bakurira. So this one is a cattle shed, and this is where the animals will be eating. Okay. So this is where the animals will be eating. And it looks nice. So that is the feeding troughs. Those are feeding troughs. There. This one is, I think, where they will be milking. All right. So these are, and I can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, about 8 animals. Okay. So these are the feeding troughs. All right. So the feeding troughs. Riu kuno kwa gukamira kana kuria gukoma na njiga gwa thini cigagirwo matureci. Okay. Yeah. Riu cia mama aba. So this is the sleeping area. Cia mama aba riu iyo yari abuna no guka gukoma. Yeah.
Yari ahuna hari.
Maturecini. Niguo njigagua. Okay. Nabo aba bangi nabo ni ba
ona kuiga jagu.
Okay, young ones. Okay, this one is the young ones shed. All right. The young ones shed. So this one is hey, abano boderete wega ni undu wa riri. Umenya abano boderete wega ni riri. Sora. Mabati ara mboderete sora, rino mboderete kugitira ng'ombe. Nduko na ona economy. Ni.
Umemuona?
So here he has done economics of scale. Up there is solar. Up there. And the iron sheets are there. Okay. So this is a cow shed. So that small part there is for the calves. All right. Okay. So that is a cow shed, and these are the you can see a sugar cane here. Sugar cane. Then, of course, I showed you the oranges there, and now that is the maize. So maize here is quite much. I think this one is the washroom. All right. Or the toilets. So we enter here. This is for the calves. This is where the calves will be sleeping. Can you see? So what they have done is the solar. The solar is like killing two birds with one stone, because up here you have the solar on the iron sheets, and the same iron sheets are now the ones which are covering the cows. You see, that's a very clever way of doing things. All right. So here is all right, but I think there is no need of going inside here. You can see for yourself a forest of maize. All right, a forest of maize, and this maize is for the animal consumption. So I don't know whether I'll go there, somewhere there, and look at that maize from the top. All right. So I have got a place I can climb and see the maize properly from up there. This is maize. The maize. If I climb there, this is a cow shed. The modern cow shed. And so I can climb here. This is like a hill. So I'm going to go on top. Okay. I can go on top. Maybe you see the maize. Look, guys, that is maize, 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 maize. On the side you have the bananas. And you know, I'm telling you, this place is very, very hot. But the way that maize look like is like it was raining. Meaning it has been supplied with enough water. Can you see an aerial view of the maize plant? All right. So the only crop which is planted here is maize. You can just see maize. All right. And from here on top, of course, now you can see a good view of the cow shed. And you can see now the soras there. The soras have been, it's a very good idea. Soras on top, the iron sheets cover the cows. And so there will become very economical. Then there you have the neighbors around this place. So, I don't know whether my friend will be able to say something, but the road is just here. And this is a perimeter wall. The road is at the side. This one is an avocado. I don't know whether it is hash. And it has flowered. Can you see it has flowered? Remember, there are various types of fruits here. Look at that banana. This must be Kampala. It's called Kampala banana. All right. And then you can see a tank there. All right. And of course, the bananas are there and the maize. We have also a pumpkin here. All right. Pumpkin here. So I think that's a very good tour of this place. And I think I'll end the video there. Unless he has got something else to tell me. You can see the video after this. Okay. So, what in a way? I'm looking for him. Onaba? Oh, no, no, they're all here. Eh. Okay. So this section is arrowroots. This place is very organized. So these are arrowroots. All right. Can you see them, guys? The arrowroots. They are here. All right. So may I end my video here at the arrowroot section and call it a day. Goodbye, guys, and welcome to my neighbor's farm, which this time he has planted maize. Goodbye. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Here, at the million, no, okay, near what? Na no ya ng'ombe. Okay. No. So this sweet potatoes are specifically for cows. Okay. And when you give the cows, they produce a lot of milk. All right. So it's a section of sweet potatoes. Okay. You can see I'm being taken a tour of the sweet potatoes. Okay. Na nere awane andu ne kuma ngwacia ikora wane miri. Okay. No, I am bleeding kana. All right. Aba bembe ni siwa ga yawa. Bembe. So we are now walking through the maize plantation. No, super nature. Okay. Super napier grass. Kwa nä rä agwa wega nä ng'ombe nä ria. Okay. So the super napier here is very good for milk production. Okay, this one here, it is at the side of the maize. All right, very good for milk. So that one is super napier. Okay. Nasio mbembe isino ni specific ari cia ng'ombe kana isino iriwe ni andu ni iria cia yeru itagwa
DK.
DK.
Ite that the
All right. So that maize is the variety is DK 33, 833, and it is very good for cows. All right. You can see how it has produced. It's going to be very good production of maize here. Okay. So that's the maize. And so I think he makes sure that the animals have enough food. Okay. So we still move under the maize plantation. Over here we have got spinach. Okay. We have spinach. It's a section of spinach here. You can see. So it's like here we have everything. So spinach. For maybe human consumption. Okay. All right. And then we have got also sweet potatoes again, the same variety for the cows, for milk production. So this is making use of the land economically, so that every part is used very well, and that's good. It's good work. Yeah. Okay. Koguo no imwe kureta na guku. Na guku no ibangite itiagirwe ni kureta mathina riu tiga no ngando aya marenda ukuretera kira namo aruti a wira taka marenda guku frustrate tondu riu ta ng'ombe ciagirwe ni gukorwo na mundu uratrust piu ni tondu angigiuka thia itige itena mundu ni ningikorwo athara ni irenda mundu very 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 trusted. So we are saying cows require somebody who is responsible and who will take care of them. Gaka ni kariko gaka ni kamuti kariko kamuti yeah fig eko okay, it's a mango tree here. This one is so these are oranges. Urauga eba, ino. Eh. Oyo ni mutimu gani?
Ona fix hiyo si. Naona mtu ukiagira wewe. Amesa.
Ni.
Amesa sana matunda.
Na stem yako ni very strong. Okay. All right. So, I think that is good. We have a hand wrap of the farm. And so, I think we can end. And avocados here, hash. You don't need hash? Now I'm going to hash. Okay. So these are good avocados. So it is the best in the market. This one. Export. Okay. Hash. Avocado. No, go we call it on the kai. We get mondo very, very trusted here. Because when they misbehave, mother create damage. Super Nepian grass again here. In this section here, you can see how it is coming up. And it is also mixed with sweet potatoes, guys. All right. So, I'll end the video here and tell my friend here goodbye. See him again. Wewe unaokienda akwali ya video ni? Unaenda akwali ya video ni wewe? Sawa. Okay. Sawa. So I will end the video there and call it a very good time. Having gone loud the farm, we have been able to see how my friend here is doing his work. All right. So this is like a fence. So may I tell you goodbye and see you in my next video, guys. Goodbye. Bye-bye and see you next time.